cheeky one at Sandown. Didn't get kicked off for noise. Gearbox number 2 was better but not much better. Winton still had a little leak, but we sorted that, and then still no third gear. This one you can sort of get into third gear when you're sitting in pit lane, but once you're at speed or RPM, it doesn't exist. The other thing I've been really too lazy to fix is the flywheel is damaged from the original start motor conversion. The first starter I had from that was second hand, and the solenoid was half bucketed and it's taken out a few teeth on the flywheel. Sometimes the car starts, sometimes it doesn't. Normally when it doesn't, we get in the crank nose, we give it a reef, try skip a few flywheel teeth and then go again. I've been too lazy to fix it because it's an engine out job really. Getting the bell housing off in the Sylvia firewall, you can get all the bolts out, but you can't get the bell housing out. With this car it's easier to pull the motor. So given that I need to do the flywheel and the gearbox is also fucked, I think we're going to start ripping the thing apart. While it's out, just trying to go through and clean up a bunch of things like adding a scavenge filter to the return of the oil tank, fire sleeving some bits like crank angle sensor, which if anyone knows on an LS one is in a really shit spot. Give the motor a bit of a once over just while it's out, so quick peek inside, give it a bit of a health check, make sure it's not doing anything stupid. Hopefully soon we can have a gearbox delivery. Once that's in, we'll do another update, get the thing back together and back on a track soon.